CAF Rail Services objectives are to improve vehicle safety, reliability, availability, as well as the passenger experience, delivering a fast, flexible and competitive service to our clients and utilising the latest digital technology in lead mind to reduce maintenance costs. CAF's history with supplying trains to the UK market extends back to 1995 with the first contract to supply EMUs for Heathrow Express. Since then, CAF have secured an additional 15 contract orders in the UK to supply over 1,000 heavy rail cars and 600 LRV modules. The length of these agreements varies in accordance with the franchise and in some cases extends to the full vehicle life. The delivery of these services will employ circa 400 CAF Rail UK staff employed across 15 depots as well as at our central stores in Stockport and offices located in Belfast and Manchester. In 2018, CAF inaugurated the Rolling Stock UK factory in Newport. This state-of-the-art facility is a demonstration of CAF's commitment to the UK market. The CAF Rail UK Central Store facility in Stockport provides a centralised service for all CAF Rail UK maintenance projects in the UK to source, control and store all spares and maintain many of the owner-owned spares at this facility. CAF uses LeadMind in all of its fleets in the UK to monitor in real time the fleet health to enable swift, effective decisions to drive reliability and prioritise maintenance activities. The geolocation, telemetry, engine rule and remote HMI functions enable a rapid view of availability and alarms of the fleet to choose the ideal moment to carry out maintenance, thereby increasing availability.